Mastering the art of realistic budgeting and adherence. Welcome to the Money Whisperer, your spot for guidance on creating a realistic budget and adhering to it with a view to overcoming financial challenges. Today, I'm your host, and together, we'll explore the functional strategies for how to create a realistic budget and stick to it. Let's begin now to talk about setting up a budget that works for you. First, gather all your financial statements. This includes bank statements, bills, and any receipts that you usually keep. Start by listing your income sources. Include everything from your main job, side hustles, to any passive income streams. Next, track your expenses. Categorize them as fixed or variable. Fixed expenses are your regular, predictable bills. Variable expenses can change from month to month. Let's not forget, here's a reminder to please subscribe to our Faceless YouTube channel to watch more videos on captivating contents that speak louder than faces. As you join our community today, together we'll explore the world of personal finance. Let's continue now with how to create a realistic budget and above all, stick to it. Identify non-essential expenses. These might include daily coffee runs, eating out, or subscriptions you rarely use. Set realistic spending limits for variable expenses. Be honest with yourself about what you can really afford to spend. Allocate savings in your budget. Aim for at least 10% of your income. If that's too much, start with what you can manage. Consider using budgeting tools or apps. These can help you keep track of your expenses and income more efficiently. Check in with your budget weekly. This helps you adjust before spending gets out of hand. Prepare for unexpected expenses with an emergency fund. Start small, even if it's just a little each paycheck. Reward yourself for sticking to your budget. Small rewards can motivate you to keep going. Remember, budgeting is about finding balance. Adjust your budget as your financial situation changes, and you'll find success.